So the Sweet Banana Co-operative, we're a group of banana farmers growing bananas up there in Carnarvon. We don't use any chemical sprays on our bananas. We don't use any pesticides, fungicides or insecticides. That creates a really nice, healthy living ecosystem of insects. So you get a variety of bugs, and the good bugs keep the bad bugs at bay. Also, there's pretty much nowhere else in the world where people don't use fungicides, insecticides and pesticides to grow plants. So that's a pretty unique thing that we have for our bananas in Carnarvon. And we're also now working on a program to remove and decrease artificial fertilisers using biological fertilisers, biomineral fertilisers that add minerals and bacteria and fungi back into the soil to help the soil regenerate itself. Our hypothesis in the trials that we're running is that regen farming for us will cost us less. We're very early, 3 months into that project, but so far very encouraging results, down to things like this stalk that the bananas hang off. The weight of those stalks is 50% higher than the weight of the conventional. The size of the trees, the size of the bunches, the health of the plant, even down to the shade of green of the trees. It's just it's hard to describe, but it's a different, brighter shade of green. It just seems more vibrant. Those indicators generally, when you get a heavier plant, is it's carrying more mineral weight, it's stronger. We think it'll withstand weather events better. The regen farming method really makes sense for us. We don't want to be a commodity supplier of a bulk banana. We don't want to compete with all the other bananas that are grown. And being regenerative for us gives us that point of difference. It allows us to tell our story a bit more about how we grow and get a premium price for what is a premium product. It just makes sense from the consumer, and it makes sense for us as growers to set ourselves apart from what everyone else is doing.